In this video, we're going to talk about how to solve literal equations for a specific variable. So literal equations are like formulas. They have two or more variables, and sometimes we need to write these equations in terms of a specific variable, and we're going to use all of these opposite operations that we've been talking about in order to do that. So let's try some examples. Let's solve d equals rt in terms of t. So we want to get t by itself on one side of our equation. Well, t is not by itself because we have r multiplying t. So we're going to do the opposite of multiply, which is divide, and we're going to divide both sides of our equation by r. So on the left, that leaves me with d over r equals, in the right, the r's cancel, leaving me with just t. So now this equation is solved because I have t by itself on one side of the equation. You can rewrite this if you prefer. You can write this as t equals d over r. Either way is fine. So let's try solving y equals abcx for x. So here we want to isolate this variable x. Well, x is not isolated because all of abc is multiplying x, right? Everything in this entire equation is being multiplied. So what we're going to do is we're just going to divide out that whole part. And we can do this all in one step. So instead of y equals abcx, we're going to divide both sides by abc. So on the left, that's going to leave me with y over abc. That equals, and then on the right, all of this will cancel, leaving me with just x. So we have x equals y over abc. So let's try solving 2x plus y equals 8 for y. We want to get y by itself in this equation. Y is not by itself because we have 2x. So since this is a positive 2x, I'm going to go ahead and subtract 2x from both sides. So when I do that, on my left side, 2x and minus 2x will cancel, leaving me with y equals 8 minus 2x. And that is my equation now solved for y. So when solving literal equations for a specific variable, you're going to identify the variable to be isolated. Then you're going to use opposite operations to isolate this variable.